Mein Name ist Eis.
I'm Aste. I work with deprived children and youngsters. When you are working in an environment where you're exposed to many cruel and unjust fates involving children, you have to set boundaries for yourself to be able to survive. Today, people rush through everyday life and their needs are forgotten. Therefore, it's vital to seek and choose places where I can find myself. A time in which I can concentrate on my inner self and recharge. My everyday life takes place in the countryside, so whenever I want to flee from everyday life, I try spending the weekend in the city. This automatically leads to deceleration, since I'm doing the exact opposite of what I am doing during the week. By focusing on the small things like making coffee, drinking and enjoying the coffee, I'm enjoying the moment. It's a conscious decision and a conscious experience enjoying that moment. Eating traditional dishes is becoming rare. I want to make, enjoy, and consciously experience traditional dishes. We are caught in our society of luxury and abundance, where we own fast cars. But the point is not being fast. Sometimes it is much more important to slow down and actually experience life.